Good morning, y'all. It's Tuesday. We're rolling up to the shop. We got 1, 2, 3 trucks already here to unload. So it's gonna be a nice, hot, sweaty morning. We'll catch up with y'all later. Dude in the box truck. Trucks are done. It's hot. About to start loading up for our trucks. Hit the highway. We got everything loaded. So this is half of a job. This is the other half of the job. So those 2 trucks are 1 full job. And then stuff on the right, the doors are a job. And then the stuff on the left-hand side is a job. So we only got 3 stops today. I can dig it. Got about an hour to the first stop. Headed to Alpharetta. We're here, sweetheart. He wants these around back, but I don't think it's gonna happen.
Thank you, Scott. You know what?
Yeah, I can come that way.
Yeah, we do it. You got 2 levels?
Dude says, so you're not gonna take him down there because you don't want to. I said, bro, that's not my job.
That shit gonna be great. Hey, I knew when I seen that, I told you, I said, we gotta take this shit.
Yep.
It's gonna be good. We gonna pick off first. We gonna pick off first. You see them steps I told you?
Yeah, them steps are crazy. What in the hell? We got any cardboard in the truck? No, because it's gonna hit all these for tools.
No cardboard.
Yeah, he wanted them down here, and we can't do that, man. Here, I'm gonna go help him. Well, that guy was so mad.
Yeah, he got it.
Yep, I'll get over it.
That's the product.
He said, y'all gonna be back to take them down there.
Let's see.
Yeah, we'll see.
This is 2 jobs or just 1?
No, that's just 1 job. There's only 3 stops today.
It's Cleveland. Cleveland last.
Yeah, we'll do that last. We'll go from here to...
Alright, now you can go fast.
Yo, that builder got mad that we wouldn't take that downstairs. But the salesman always tell them, hey, yeah, my boys will do it, my boys will do it. We always tell the salesman, no, we won't. That's the installer's job. They learned real quick today. Mad. It'll be all right. This product got delivered. 2. That's my stop number 2 right there. Go in that thing before I don't get heat exhaustion. Alright. Get all this crap off. Out here in the middle of nowhere, where the deer roam and the raccoons and the bears and the rabbits. You getting the rest of this truck?
Trips a piece. That's 11. Well, somebody got 3 trips. 13 altogether. I'm just doing 2 trips. Marty. We ain't seen Marty name yet.
Oh yeah?
So yeah.
Oh, it's coming up.
Probably Friday. Wednesday, Thursday, probably. I ain't doing them on Friday. We get him out the way during the week, we could. Not on Friday. Back your boy. Hey. It's fine. Like the land though.
Oh yeah, she got land for days. Wayne said he was gonna be here. He said, I don't think you guys can get up the driveway with the bumper.
Oh.
He don't know.
You got to bag down. Well, I think you can do it.
I think I'm gonna try to.
That's what I was gonna try to do before you. I'm alright. Let's see how you do it.
Well, Tuesday's gone. We got it done. Made it back at a decent time. We did 9 hours today. Beast doing 12, 13, 15, all that fun stuff. Get off a little early. Not early, but compared to what we normally do. I appreciate everybody watching my videos, liking the videos, commenting, subscribing, and everything like that, man. Y'all are the real MVPs. But I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna head home, go spend time with my family. Do it in the box truck. See you tomorrow.